subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Itel launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Itel S23, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Itel S23 features a tall 6.6-inch HD plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone houses an AI-featured dual-camera setup in a circular module at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.6 aperture, along with the unspecified QVGA sensor. Under the hood, the Itel S23 comes powered by octa-core Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also has color-changing technology that changes the color when exposed to sun or UV light. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 76 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Itel S23 has been priced in India at 8,799 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in mystery white and starry black color options. So what do you guys think of this Itel S23 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.